Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Sara Sindelar on the benefits of producing wheat in Nebraska, and we will have that interview on our Facebook page a little bit later.
Right now, Sara is back with a recipe for a spicy and tasty snack mix. Here's more.
Well, many of us are looking for ways to put together a snack that may not be that hard to do or that expensive, and maybe cleans out your pantry a little bit. Joining me now with more on this is Sara Sindelar with Common Ground. Sara, you have an idea for us.
Yes. So this recipe I have been using for many years, especially with 3 small kids at home. Kids are going back to school, and it's based on wheat products anyway. So I thought it would be kind of perfect. Moms are probably cleaning out their pantries right now. And it's a good way to, instead of letting all that stuff in the pantry go to waste or go stale, you can throw it all together for a healthy snack mix for the kids or on the go or whatever it may be. So I call it clean out the pantry snack mix. So I have it all prepared for time reason. In here is garlic salt, a package of ranch. And if you like it spicier, you can use a spicy ranch, a teaspoon of white pepper, a little fajita seasoning, and that is all that's in there. And then I have my 1 cup of canola oil. I have a box of pretzels, wheat thins, and snap crackers, and some nuts. So you'll mix your canola oil, your seasoning, you'll mix that together. And I like to bake it because baking it takes the staleness out of anything that you may have, and it also just makes it a lot more flavorful. So I'll throw my wheat thins, my cheese crackers, in pretzels, get all the goodies out. Once all the canola oil, ranch, garlic is all mixed in, we'll throw it out into a baking dish. And your oven is set to 250. I like to take this and pop it in the oven. And I do it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And every 10 to 15 minutes, I take it out and I turn it. So all the oil and mixes on the bottom get all nice and coated all over the snap crackers. And then after that, you can put it in a bowl, and all your stale chips, all your snacks in the pantry are no longer stale. And you have a very good snack for the kids and yourself.
Fantastic. All right, Sara, thank you very much for sharing that with us today.
Yeah, thank you.